What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to multiply square roots and then simplify it. The first example I have is 5 root 6 times negative root 12. 5 times negative 1 is going to be negative 5, and then square root of 6 times square root of 12 is going to be 72. Now again, you probably saw it in different examples and different videos I have. We're looking for a factor that is perfect square for 72. So we have 36, which is a factor of 72, and it's a perfect square. So it's going to be 36 times 2. Square root of 36 is 6. So negative 5 times 6 is negative 30 root 2. Next example, we have 6 root 2 times negative root 10. Answer is 6 times negative 1 is going to be negative 6. 2 times 10. Root 2 times root 10 is going to be 20. Again, we are looking for a factor of 20, which is a perfect square. And the answer is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So we have negative 6 root 4 times root 5. Square root of 4 is 2. So we have negative 12 root 5. Next example, we have negative 2 root 7 times negative 2 root 14. Answer is negative 2 times negative 2 is going to be positive 4. 7 times 14 is going to be 98. Then we have, again, we are looking for a factor for 98 that is a perfect square. 98 is 49 times 2. So we have square root of 49, square root of 2. Square root of 49 is 7. So 7 times 4, 28. So 28 root 2. Next example, we have negative 2 root 11 times negative 4 root 22. What is the answer? Answer will be negative 2 times negative 4 will be positive 8. Root 11 times root 22, it will be 2, 4, 2. Again, we are looking for a factor for 242, and it's a perfect square, and that's 121. So we have square root of 121 times root 2. 2 times 121 is 242. Square root of 121 is 11. 8 times 11, 88 root 2. Next example. What we have here, we have 15y times square root of 5y to the power of 4, to the power of 3. Answer is 15 times 5 is 75. Y times y cubed is y to the power of 4. So we have root 75 root y to the power of 4. 75, again, perfect square. It's 25 times 3. So we have square root of 25, square root of 3, square root of y to the power of 4. That's going to be 5 root 3. And square root of 5 to the power of 4 is going to be y to the power of 2, or y squared. So we have 5y squared root 3. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.